Hi everyone. Quick question. What if I told you there's a skill that you can develop and will help you lower your stress, boost your happiness, and help you handle the anxiety better? Well, it's called emotional intelligence or EQ, and today we're gonna break down why it's basically a superpower for your mental health. Well, according to Daniel Goleman, emotional intelligence is defined as a subset of social intelligence that involves the ability to monitor one's own and others' feelings and emotions, to discriminate among them, and to use this information to guide one's thinking and actions. The first two are self awareness and self management that have to do with our ability to relate to ourselves, reflecting personal competence. And the other two are social awareness and relationship management that have to do with our ability to relate with others and reflecting our social competence. These days, we know that IQ accounts like 25% of success in one's career. Emotional intelligence is a critical spot that will make the difference between a successful and a non-successful career. Here is where it gets really interesting. Some studies explore the vital connection between EQ and well being, and guess what? People with higher emotional intelligence experience lower stress levels, more positive emotions, greater overall happiness, and better physical health. But it's not just about feeling well. EQ actually acts as a protective factor for your mental health. The studies found a negative correlation between EQ and what researchers call SAD, stress, anxiety, and depression. That means that the higher your EQ, the lower your levels of these mental health challenges. Okay, but why is this so important? Today, we are living in a time where burnout, compassion fatigue, and mental health struggles are always there, especially for students. School pressure, social media, future uncertainty, it's a lot. So he's a game changer. Emotional intelligence isn't fixed like the IQ, which stays pretty stable. You can actually develop. But here, EQ, you can develop EQ. So, as I said, you can change your IQ, but you can change your EQ, and this is because of neuroplasticity. And this term is used to describe the brain's ability to change, to continue growing and evolving in response of life experiences. When you practice emotional intelligence behaviors like recognizing when you're stressed, naming your emotions, or taking a break, you are literally strengthening neural pathways in your brain. This means better coping skills, you can manage stress more effectively. Instead of suppressing emotions, you understand them, and makes all the difference for your well being. So, the research is clear. Developing emotional intelligence is not just nice to have, it's essential for navigating today's mental health challenges. Whether you are dealing with academic pressure, relationships drama, or just the general chaos of life, EQ gives you tools to handle it better. So, here's the call to action. This week, try to notice your emotions without judging them. When you feel stressed, pause and name what you're feeling. That's step one in developing your EQ. And remember, your emotions aren't weaknesses, they are data. Learn to read them, and you will unlock a whole new level of well being. See you in the next time.